go back to the dreams I'm living in my head. Yeah. Tuesday evening, pack my bags, I'm heading out the door. I left a box of memories lying on the floor. Yeah. From this empty life, I'm running out of time tonight. I'm screaming out for help.